Hidden inside Excel is a fully functional development environment called VBA. VBA has the power to manage databases, enhance user interfaces, leverage APIs, manage networks, or prototype the next big application. So if you want to learn how to make spreadsheets do things they can't, or you want an intro into professional software development, join me as we explore Beyond Excel. Developing in Excel requires the Developer tab. To get it, unhide it using File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then checking Developer. This is the Developer tab. To access VBA, we must open the Visual Basic editor. Click Visual Basic. To return to Excel, click the Excel icon. The keyboard shortcut Alt F11 can also take us to the Visual Basic editor and back to Excel. The Visual Basic editor is called the VBE. Let's learn about its sections. At the top is the VBE's toolbar. The options it contains are also in the VBE's menu bar. From the menu bar, we can bring up the Project Explorer. It displays all open projects and their components. Each object in the Project Explorer has properties. We can view and modify them in the Properties window. Let's change the sheet name to Test. The Code window is where we write code. The Immediate window is a great place to test small code segments instantly. Let's give it a try and set cell A1 to Hello World. Let's record a macro. Click the Record macro in the Developer tab, then OK. The recorder added a code module to our Project Explorer. The recorder also added a subroutine to capture our steps. When we click a cell, the recorder logs that. Let's type Hello World. When we hit Enter, the recorder registers our entry and that the next cell was selected. Our Hello World macro is ready, so let's stop the recorder. There are many ways to run a macro. While in the VBE, we can click the Run icon. We can use the menu's Run option, or use the keyboard's F5 key. From Excel, we can add a shape, label it, assign a macro, then click the shape. Now let's try writing our own code. The recorder remembered the cell we selected, but I want this to run in whatever cell is selected, so let's delete that line. I also want our code to move to whatever is the next cell automatically. Now, when we run our program, Hello World fills the current cell and our program selects the cell below. And every time we click the Run icon, our program repeats these steps. In just 2 minutes, we've learned how to record a macro, view its code, modify code, and run code.